Why mahilig gumala? At the same time, nag-iisip ka ng magandang negosyo? Why na? Ipagsabay natin yan. So dito, sa ating negosyo, we organize your trip and meron din tayong products and services like airline booking, hotel reservation, airport transfer, reservation, customized tour packages, land arrangement, travel insurance, at syempre yung visa processing. At syempre, tayo po ay accredited ng IATA, ng PTAA, PhilToa, QCTAA, at syempre po ng Department of Tourism. So, legal na legal po talaga at talaga naman pong napakagandang negosyo ngayon. At the same time, syempre meron din tayong Entrep Hub. Diba? Na ito po, 30% discounted tayo lifetime sa ating mga frozen goods. At syempre, ito po yung pinakapatok na patok ngayon, yung one-stop shop business na meron ka ng remittance, bills payment, loading, insurance, ticketing, hotel booking, and many more. So, ayan, pwedeng-pwede nyo po akong i-PM at para po masimulan na natin yung napakagandang negosyo na small capital but big potential income lamang. So, thank you and God bless.